So I started doing some preventative surgery to my Hotrod Deluxe. So I started off with replacing just the capacitors. Had basically those cheap IC capacitors. So before those started to leak, I figured I'd replace those. The next thing on the list would be to replace those two resistors here for the low voltage section, as well as the two diodes, which one of them is hiding back there, because those are getting hot. It's an older amp, like from 2002, but it hasn't suffered any damage to the circuit board, but you can see from the other side that it started to get hot. And so before any damage occurs, I figured I'd replace all of that and basically get all those components off the board, and so that the heat dissipates better. And next thing on the list, which I'm waiting for parts for that, would be to replace the screen resistors over here, as both of them show some sign of heat bulging out. So this got a cold solder joint there as well. So I'm going to replace those two screen resistors, as well as this other resistor. Forget what it's for, but all three of those resistors will end up being mounted on top on this side of the board as opposed to on the other side, again, so that they dissipate the heat better. Plus, those will be rated at a higher wattage. I think those are all 1 watt parts. I'll be upgrading them to at least a 2 watt component, so that they'll withstand the heat a little bit better.